Everybody, it's the end of July here. Got the main man here, Kate Estes. Oh, Superfly over there. Got a call about a farmer with some goats down here. These cows been raising hell with these goats, so we're gonna come out and hopefully thin them a little bit. Keep the mosquitoes off. Cat on the ridge. You see it, Kate? It's a big bastard. Got one coming. Where'd he go to? What? Get on that downwind zone again. He tries to do that. he coming in? I can't see. He's what?
I'm on him. Sheesh, you never know. He might come in. Huh?
He's seen the pickup.
I'm on him.
You're gonna have to kill him.
Stop.
He'll stop. Look at them hoppers.
Yep.
He's done. Good shooting. We're just gonna stay here. Is that the one you seen, Kate? Was that the one you seen when you come in here? Where's the one? Oh, I thought you said you seen one way out there. Yeah. Got one shot here. Den dog, little bastard's going way downwind. So Kate give him the old 6.5 Creedmoor in the pump station.
The far ridge? The far ridge? Or?
He dropped down. He's going to come up this flat in the next couple minutes.
Okay. Come right to us.
Right at us.
Okay.
Let the dogs dog if we
Yeah,
can.
let the dogs dog if we can.
But it, like those, okay, on those where they're gonna get,
It's like it's still 12.
yeah. But I'm saying, on those that are gonna get behind us, just make sure Logan's on it.
Coming in, Kate. Kate, left. Right in front of my dad. I'm gonna come roll up on this hill right here close.
Oh yeah, where's Kyle? Where's Kyle? Where's Kyle? Where's Kyle, Jim? Where's Kyle? Where's Kyle? Kate, get on it. Go on your side. Go on your side.
I can't see you, Kate. I'm not on him. I can't see him.
He'll come back to the call.
Hold on a second, Kate.
Hold on, here he comes. You on him, Logan?
Yep. Yep.
No more goats for him. How far did he come from, kid? How far did he come from? No, how far was he out there? When you first seen him, how far? You don't think so? Oh,
That coyote should have came up over here.
nah, but he probably got in the cooling to get our wind. That's the power of Decoy dog. What? Yeah, I thought you said about 1,500, but that's the big Decoy dogs. They got our wind, went and pissed on the pickup tire, and then come back here.
20 yards.
Is that what they was?
Came all the way up to this.
Yeah, I see. Looks like we got a storm on the horizon. No more goats.
Kate, was that cool?
That was badass.
Yeah. Now you see what.
I thought you were gonna shoot. I
What'd you
looked
think,
over.
Kate?
You were just like that.
You kept going that way.
No, I wanted you to shoot. And I was like,
I wasn't sure if we wanted to get more dog stuff because he was so active.
Oh yeah. Isn't that cool though?
That was awesome.
There's nothing like that, is there?
No, that was cool.
Yeah. That's what decoy dogging's about.
Came up this big bush right here, left, and then came right.
Well, he was standing on this ridge behind me at 10 yards. I could hear him wolfing.
Well, good shooting, buddy.
Me too.
25th of July here, and it's got a little storm coming in, but got some goat farmers that live out here. They got a bunch of goats, and these coyotes been coming in raising hell with them, so they called us. We said we would damn sure come out and see if we can help them out, and we did. This first one come up out of the creek and they're out of this big coulee here, and he was going downwind from the get-go, so I just told Cade, you better get him killed while the getting's good. And he, I don't know how far did you run?
260.
260, yeah. He pumped him right through the pump station. He ran off, and then I went to Den Vicious too. I never seen him, but Cade said it come from way out this ridge, probably 1,500 yards just on the dead run. That's this one I shot here. And the beauty of decoy dogs is the way it come in and the way the dogs reacted to it. It pushed us right behind, right to the, just to the west of his. What did he come 20 yards from?
20 yards, and then he came behind us and
Yeah,
circled back.
Circle back, and if that ever happens, when they go away from you, don't panic if you're using decoy dogs. Just turn your call back on, and that coyote will go back to the call. After they've engaged in the dogs, they'll go back to that call, and that's what we did. And I was able to put a horny right down its throat patch, and
Right at 80.
yeah, 80, 90 yards. Dogs did great. We had a slow morning, but tonight was beautiful, and
First set.
first
Awesome.
set, yeah, good thing. And Cade's back with us. We haven't seen him for a
Yeah,
while,
it's been a
but
while.
love hunting with him, love having him around. He's a killer, so we got probably time for one more before the storm hits, and on to the next. Saving goats tonight. Lights out, everybody.
Lights out.